Today we're going to install the passenger headlight on a 2012 Chevy Silverado. Alright, in the previous video I removed the headlight. Now we're going to assemble the new headlight. We're going to grab all the lights from the other one and just put them into place here. Alright, all the light housing is back together, so let's go ahead and grab our light and put it into place. Let's go ahead and connect our pigtails and let's go ahead and set it into place. Okay, let's go ahead and put our two screws up here and right in there. Okay, so this is a little bit out of alignment here and it's pressing on this plastic pretty hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up this screw, that screw, and that screw there to shift this plate down a little bit so it'd be better aligned. And on this bottom one, I do have to use a swivel, but you can see the whole light shifted down a little bit. And we'll just set that up. There it is, and we'll tighten those bolts back up. Okay, so we're going to use a 10 mil to tighten this bottom one up. We're going to go ahead and stick our hand right inside the fender wheel well, and we're going to go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, once you have the bottom all tightened, we're going to go ahead and tighten up the top. And not too tight because it is plastic. Let's go ahead and tighten this one up as well. There it is. Now we just take this cover off. There it is, brand spanking new. Let's go ahead and give them a try. Alright, and there it is. Looks like this light bulb is burned out, so that would have been perfect time to replace it. But now we know. And that is how you replace the passenger headlight or headlight on a 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh man, we forgot to put the rest of this junk back together. Let's go ahead and slap the grill. First, hook it from up here. Has little plastic hooks to hold on to it. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure all these little clips are aligned on both sides, and then press it in. There it is. Okay, now we're going to put the 4 screws that go on here. These are 10 mil. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Let's go ahead and secure all of those bolts. This is plastic, so not too tight. Then we're going to put our cowl back on and put the retainer clips to hold it into place, just like so. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you install new headlights on the 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.